If you want to learn how to download CapCut for PC just like this, then sit back. This video will show you how to download CapCut on PC step by step. Go to any browser of your choice and type CapCut and click on enter. When you click on enter, the first link that typically pops up, which is the CapCut.com, you click on it. When you click on it, it will take you to the CapCut website. You hover this download taskbar where you can download CapCut for Windows/Mac, or you can download CapCut for mobile. So what you need to do, you have two options. Either you use this download CapCut Windows/Mac, or you scroll down to download for Windows. So for this video, I'm going to show you how to download CapCut on Windows 11 on this download. So it will pop up and it will start downloading, and this is it. So you've successfully downloaded CapCut on Windows 11. So you click to open. When you click to open the folder, to download folder, it will show you this application here, which is the CapCut application, and you successfully download CapCut on your PC.